There you go, Carrie. You can see it hanging inside. She's drinking her water. Now let me walk around the other side. Make sure she did not pull it down. Oh, she didn't. So it's still where it needs to be. Very good. And the others are doing good. We got one missing. Who's missing? Where's Amethyst? She's over on the she's over in her nest, I would imagine. Jasper drinking water. Let's go see. Yep. Smokey on the nest. Yes, Jasper. Yes, baby. You want to sit? I'll pet you. Look at her standing in her water. Her dumbass chicken. Get your foot out of your water. Don't you dare get that wrappings wet. Don't you get that wrappings wet. See, I just hung it from the top. Hey, get your foot out of the water. Get your foot out of the water. Come on. Get your foot out of the water. There you go. It doesn't matter where I put that water at. She's going to end up in it. So, yeah. Be back in an hour. Okay, back in to check on Selenite. I have to check on her every 45 minutes to an hour, making sure that she's not picking at her owie. I can tell she's not because the everything is still in place. I have ordered her a chicken outfit that comes down. See where I have that wrapping? Well, the chicken outfit comes over like that. And I can add another piece of material to cover, because when it does heal and I put her out, I've got to make sure that the other chickens don't mess with her, which they haven't, but I still need to make sure. But that red vest she's wearing right now won't get it, because chickens are attracted to red, and so I don't want the other ones, you know, bothering her. It is healing. It's getting a scab, so it's just a matter of her. I don't want to bother her. It's just a matter of her leaving it alone. And I did do the dust bath. They obviously has been using it, and yeah. So I'll be back out in 45 minutes to an hour. Alrighty. Alright, baby girl, we'll leave you alone. So while we're here, let's check and see if there's any egg. Well, one of the hens is over there. Looks like black tourmaline. 2 eggs right here. So this would be 4 eggs for the day. And she's over there. Selenite even is still laying eggs, so that's good. Alrighty. Thank you everybody for watching. Catch y'all later. Have a great day. Blessings to all. keep an eye on my name change. I'll probably change it around the 15th of this month, which is March now. Yeah, around the March the 15th, I'll be changing the name. It'll be down in the comment section and be pinned. Thank you, everybody. Blessings to all. Have a great day. I got these in today that I ordered. The bows, and they clamp on to the cage. There is 3 of them. So I'm gonna put them in there for Selenite because she keeps stepping in her water, and I don't want that dressing getting wet, but yet I have to still leave her water in her for a while till she learns that these are up here. I'll be back. Okay, I got them on. It's got water in it, and the other one can't be taken up until she gets used to drinking out of them. It's full of water. This one's got some of her pellets in it, and the next time I come out and check her in 45 minutes to an hour, I will put something in there, whether it be black fly larvae or whole oats or even cracked corn, either one. And still looks pretty good.